Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And welcome to week 16 of the weekly Declutter Challenge. This week, we are going to declutter or organize our paper filing systems. Whether it's old bills, receipts, or important documents, paper clutter has a sneaky way of taking over. So let's create a system that works best. Step one, we're going to gather all of our documents. We're going to go throughout the home and get everything we need. These documents could be in bags, drawers, kitchen cabinets, tables, basically anywhere. So let's gather all those documents. And you can go to one location. You can go to your dining room table, kitchen countertop, or even your bed or your couch. Go ahead and gather those documents and then take a seat. Step two, now that we've gathered all of our documents together, we're going to put them in categories. We're going to put each document in one of the four categories. The first category is action. Action is for things that need immediate action. Maybe it's a bill or a phone call. So you will have all those things in an action stack. The second stack is archive. Archive would be for things that you need to put away, maybe something that's very important or permanent. This could be social security card, a birth certificate, or even something like a homeowner's insurance policy. Those are going to be for archive. The third section is shred. So shredding would be for things like bank statements, credit card statements, anything with PII. You want to make sure that those are shredded. Now, you can use a home shredder, which I highly recommend. At least have one home shredder. But if it gets overwhelming, then maybe you should go to a place like UPS store or your bank, or maybe even your public library that has a shredding option. And the fourth stack will be for toss or trash. These are going to be things that you can just toss or trash. You don't even need them. It's just taking up paper clutter, it's taking up clutter in a room in your home. A lot of times these could be magazines, mail circulars, flyers, postcards, just things like that you do not need. So you can do that. You can go ahead and toss those or recycle them if possible. Step three, this is where you're going to actually set up your filing system. Now, there are various ways you can set up your filing system. You can either have a paper filing system, paperless filing system, or a combination of both. I actually recommend a combination of both. Many years ago, I had the Freedom Filer system, and I will leave a link to that in the description box below. It is a good system if you are a paper planner person, if you want to keep all of your paper documents. At one time, I wanted to keep every single document, but now I know what things I can get rid of. So now I will show you my new system for keeping important documents, and all those other things I just keep digital. So come back in a few days for my next video. I'm going to show you how I break down and put all of those things into my filing system. It is great. I got this system from Amazon, and I'm going to show you how we're going to actually break down and use it. Now, the paperless system is where you just put everything on your computer and save it. And if you would like a detailed breakdown of how you can do that, please leave that in the comment section below, and that is a video that I can make. Step five, this is where you're going to create a routine. So this is kind of like a filing routine. Maybe you can tell yourself on Fridays you're going to file, and you just want to make sure you kind of decide how you're going to do things. As the mail come in, are you going to just take the important documents and sit it to the side, and then on Fridays you're going to file it? Or are you just going to take a picture with something with your phone as it come in and scan it and save it? Do you like to pay your bills as immediately or as soon as possible when it comes in the mail? So this is something that you need to think about and just get a good system that you think will work best for you. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's challenge. This is week 16. We have several more to go. If you are interested in completing or interested in joining the weekly Declutter challenge, all you have to do is make a conscious effort to want to live a clutter-free life. Information will be in the description box below. And basically, that's all you have to do. Make that a conscious effort. So we do have things that we're going to do each week of the year, and I will leave information about that in the comment section below. Also, you can join the private Facebook community or follow me on Instagram just to get your weekly reminder of the weekly declutter challenge for that week. Well, if this video works for you and you resonate with it, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.